What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Grom, we're going to be installing a 14-tooth front sprocket on the Grom. So behind this little Honda cover, I think it's two 8mm bolts is the stock one, and that's basically what we're going to be replacing today. We're not going to be replacing the back. This is basically just to help you with more acceleration and, you know, obviously wheelies. So let's get this cover off and get this going. Alright, so now that we have the cover off, we're basically going to take these two bolts off. I want to say it's a 10mm. So we're going to take this off, and then it's easy. All you got to do is just put the new one on. Alright, so I got the new one on, as you can tell. I do actually need to tie my chain, just because I'm dropping down a tooth. So you just want to put the little key back, and you gotta make sure it lines up just right. So, and then you just put the two bolts on and you're good to go. So I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna tighten the chain. All it is you loosen these on both sides, and then just, you can see how loose it is. So I'm gonna do this, and then we're gonna go take it for a spin. Alright, so I got everything back together, everything tightened up, torqued the spec. I'll list all the torque specs in the description below. But let's go take this for a ride before looks like it's gonna rain. And by the way, I love the new grips. Wow, definitely feel it. Oh yeah, you could definitely feel that the Sprocket definitely helped. The throttle response, 1,000 times better. But yeah, honestly, I think I got it off of Amazon for maybe 10 bucks. I'll put the link where I got it down below. But yeah, honestly, it's the cheapest and best mod that you can ever do. So I'm gonna ride around a little bit, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.